Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and author of many books on how to draw cartoons. And today I'd like to show you how to draw a funny female cartoon character based on a simple oval. Kind of a horizontal oval rather than a vertical oval. And it doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, I have people all the time on my YouTube channel say, I can't get the oval. Don't worry, it's just a starting point, that's all. Put anything down. And here's the neck. It's going to be facing straight toward us. Here's the center line. I'm going to do this over again with pen once I get the sketch done, construction as we call it. And the eye line is going to be down pretty low on the face, which gives it kind of a goofy look to put the eyes down low. Alright, so now let's put the glasses right here. Two big circles, and we're going to give this character some glasses to focus the face right in the center. That's what glasses do. They really draw you right in, as opposed to a character who's mainly emphasizing a weird head shape or a weird haircut. So it's all about emphasis. Alright, so we have that down, and now instead of floating the eyes right in the middle, which will make it kind of look like she's staring outwards, kind of a weird look, we'll bring them a little bit close together. And right on that eye line, just sketch them in. They don't have to be perfect. We're going to get another shot at this with a pen. And little dot eyes, but not too small, otherwise it loses emphasis. And inside, we'll add the eyebrows inside the glasses. We'll connect those glasses. Very important to connect the glasses, otherwise she has two monocles, which is weird. Right here is the bridge of the nose. So a little bridge of the nose and come up to around the tip of the nose, just like this. It's just a little suggestion of a nose, that's all you need. And a nice smile, which favors one side. Rather than make it completely even, I'm going to favor the left side here. And now I'm going to kind of shave it down so it slopes down to a chin. I'm going to shave it down like this. It's a little more of a feminine look. This is going to be a female character. A couple of eyelashes. And we'll give her bangs. Give her kind of kooky bangs like this. And pad the hair up here and bring it down. And over here, same thing. We'll repeat it. Repeat that same angle here, like this. Matter of fact, I'm going to give her even a smaller nose. Make it a little bit more feminine here, like that. Okay, now let's use the pen and get that going. And now use a little more care at trying to get it right. The different stages are for different things. Like the rough is where you experiment. And when you try to get everything finished is where you're trying to make it look just the way you want it. You don't get another shot at that right away. Okay, so just a little nose. And I'm going to bring her mouth down just a touch like that. There we go. And a little lower lip, just an indication of a lower lip. Lighter line here, like so it doesn't compete with the glasses. And now we'll make those glasses. Try to complete a pretty round circle. We're doing it freehand, so we can't expect that it's going to be the same as if you were to use like a plastic template, but we can come pretty close. All the way under here and on top. See, it's fun to put those eyebrows inside of the glasses. And now we're going to round this off. Round that off like so. On the other side, the same degree of incline. And a very thin neck and a little shadow under the neck here. Now let's add some kind of random streaks for bangs. Bring this all the way around. And you have a little indentation on the top here. Otherwise it tends to look like a helmet. You don't want that. All the way down here. And you can bring these behind the glasses if you want, or in front. It really doesn't matter, but you have to be consistent. On either side I would do it the same way. A few little streaks down here. A little collar. And there you go. There is your simple character based on an oval. I hope you enjoyed it. I have lots of videos, 400. You can look at all of them. But I do hope you subscribe. You'll get a new one each week. Thanks for joining me. See you next time. Bye-bye.